Yep, the alarm's dying. Oh, there you go. Yep, they're all dead now. They're all dead. Yeah, that's the last one. I'm not the wisest of bargain. I said it's less volts than the 3 batteries I put together, but it's more amps, so it will spark. Yeah, I know what you. Do you know what? I know what you want me to do, and I'm gonna do it just for you guys. Right, so 3 9-volt batteries. That's 27 plus a charger. That's 47 volts, mate. I might feel it. Do you think I can feel 47 volts? I've never actually had 47 volts to fuck about with before. 47. That's like 50 volts. Can you feel 50 volts DC? No, I think you can feel 50 volts AC, but not DC, I don't think. You get stuck to it though. I don't think 50 volts DC can do much. But I don't really want to touch it. I'm going to unplug it. And I'm going to tap the wires together again just to make sure it's actually off. What do you think I should do with the arms? Do you think I should just put them all in parallel? Yeah, I'll put them all in parallel. I need to take them apart though, because I've got more alarms to attach together. Oh, actually no, I don't. I've lied. Sorry, I don't. I'm going to get my tool, and I'm going to take them apart. This is part 2 of overloading battery power fire alarms, I guess. Oh god, yeah, it really... Oh, fucking hell, it reeks. I've opened it up carefully. Not really, because I broke the speaker, but oh well. Sorry. That done to me.
Yeah, I'm going to do a personalised calendar.
And then I'm going to take my mum hat. Sorry about that. And another one. Ooh! Without destroying the speaker.
I'm telling you something, you're just there panicking.
And come on. Right, so wire. Yeah. Strip. Wire. Strip. And wire. Strip. Now I've got to... I'm gonna do the positive one. Do I want to... No, I want to do negative one for the end of the batteries. That's one. That's two. And that's 3.